Yo, 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 here we go again. Yeah. Oh God. We're here to pick up some stuff for the video. I'm shooting a Valentine's Day video with MJ and Brian Q. It's on 3, right? It's on 3? I think 3 is the record. Oh man. Okay, anyway. Yeah. We'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, bye. Got my roses. Got some candles. Honestly, kind of nervous about this. Yeah, just kind of nervous. But, yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. Gotta find trays. Then we're out of here. That's a desk, Krista.
I built that desk.
Did you hear it? Huh?
Alright, so we need to get.
What are you guys doing?
Hey, posted one! Thank you, Viet, for filming this. Thank you, Easy Beat, for. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Where are we going?
Did you want to do the ending? Oh, did you want to still do the ending, or did you want to end it with
just in case.
Okay.
I want to talk to you. Easy Beat, so why did you come to my video shoot? Probably it's already out by the time I post this. Thank you, MJ, for being in my video. Thank you for wiping my sweat. Thank you, Viet, for filming it. Check out Breaking Barriers. He's really good at editing. Oh man. Easy B's very good roomer.
Easy B has the best voice. If you need her for your voiceovers, hit her up at easyb123@gmail.
I'll do something. Juju's here meditating. Brian, thank you, man, for being in my video. I know it's been a long day. So, yeah.
Never too long to be with Kevin Torrio here. He's awesome, guys. Follow his vlogs.
Yeah. Aftermath.
It's
Let's go, baby. Hey. There's a couple on the floor.
I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh, you can suck my.
Oh wow, my hair looks weird. Well, this is my life now. Hey guys, so today I have a performance at UIC called Battle of Bamboo. It's currently 9:15, 16, and yeah, I'm on my way. So it's gonna be fun. Check it out. So I don't know how I ended up here, but yeah, I'm lost. So yeah. Oh god.
She likes.
He's so
Finally, thank you.
What up, what up?
What up?
This is your boy.
It's your boy. It's
My
a
name is
group.
Brian Kiawit. I'm the Brian Kiawit. You know I run shit, you know it. You hear my name, you get scared. What?
Dream Team.
I didn't even
Oh, son.
anything about you. Damn it.
Oh my God, it's Daniel Din.
Damn.
Oh my God, it's Rowan.
What up, guys? Follow me on Snapchat at RQUINAIN. I got a lot of funny stuff. Trying to get my mixtape out there. Yeah, so just promote that fire, promote that ish, man. You
10
have to
seconds.
promote your friends. You pay $500 for a Beyonce concert, but you can't promote your friends, man. Support my mixtape, man.
All right.
Hey, what up, y'all? We here at Bar Louie. My name's Rowan. Follow me on Snapchat at RQINAIN. I'm trying to get a mixtape out. So catch that mixtape. It's keep that fire. Keep that fire going.
Explain what happened just now.
Alright, so we just went to 3 different restaurants. Either it's too full or it's too expensive, and we just sat down, drank water, and left. Now we're gonna try this, round 4.
That was a bad camera angle, but here we are.
Hi, what is this? Hello.
You haven't seen my vlog. Here. Look at that beard.
Shit, no.
Wait.
Yeah, run around.
Yeah, what's up? My name is Chris. I just got off of work. We're about to kill us. How's your head feeling?
It doesn't hurt.
Damn, Daniel! That wasn't funny. Damn.
Oh yeah.
Damn. Damn. Back it up with those white bands. Black bands.
Guys, look at all the people that are here.
You know who is here?
Who? Hey, you want to do something?
Be a fan. Look at all my friends.
What up, what up? About to go on stage.
Over that battle.
Where's
Yo,
our
what
format
up?
battle?
What up? I think I'm gonna get flagged if I film them. So we're gonna go this way to Daniel Din. So I know this is extremely late. Yeah, I've just been like really rethinking a lot of things just for this vlog, and I've been trying to just kind of get a better quality of these vlogs, and I've been rethinking, so hopefully the next time you see a vlog it'll be better quality. I'm planning on using a camera instead of just my phone because I'm shooting off my iPhone. I am switching editors soon. So, yeah, I'm sorry this is late, and I just want to let you guys know I'm not neglecting it. I've been really thinking. I even edited this vlog like I think 3 times, because the first time it wasn't satisfying. Second, it was satisfying, but I still didn't like it. So I restarted this vlog. Like, granted, now that it's Friday, I still don't really like it, but I guarantee next time you see this vlog, or next Wednesday when you see it, it'll be hopefully up the ante. But you know, yeah, I'm not sick, I just woke up, so yeah. So see you guys in the next vlog. It didn't stop. Well.